In our second 9A video, we're going to solve exponential equations. Now, this is just going to be a special group of exponential equations, and it's the group where I have an equation and my base, my exponential expressions on both sides have the same base. You see, I've kind of highlighted that, so it's going to be important. That's the only time this is going to work, is if they've got the same base. So to solve these exponential equations, you're going to express each side as a power of the same base. There's that word same. Set the exponents equal, and then solve, and then check your answer. So if I have b raised to the x is equal to b raised to the y, the only way that's going to happen is if x was actually equal to y, which is what that says. All right, so here I have 2 to the x is equal to 16, different bases. So what I'm going to do then is I could rewrite 16 as 2 to the 4th power. And then I have the same base, so then I can say that x is equal to 4. Here I have a 4 and an 8. It's not quite as simple this time. I can't write 8 as 4 to a power, but I can write both of these as a power of 2. So 4 then is equal to 2 squared. So I'm going to substitute that, and then I have raised to the x plus 3. 8 is equal to 2 cubed, and it's raised to the x power. And Power Man tells us that if we have a power to a power, we're going to multiply our exponents. So then I'm going to have 2. I'm going to distribute and get 2x plus 6 is equal to, and then multiply here and get 2 to the 3x. So now I can set, now that I have the same base, I can set my 2x plus 6 is equal to 3. I'm going to add my 6, subtract my 6 over there and get negative 3, and then divide by 2. So I'm going to end up with x is equal to negative 3 divided by 2. I ran out of space there, but subtract 6, then divide by 2. And there's my answer. All right, then on this next one, I have, along the same lines, I have 9 to the 2x minus 1 and 27. So I'm going to change these both to 3 powers. The 3 squared raised to the 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 cubed raised to the 4x plus 2. All right, so power to power, I'm going to multiply and get 3 to the 4x minus 2 is equal to 3 raised to the 12x, 3 times 2 is plus 6. So once I do that and I have the same base of 3, then I'm going to make my exponents equal. So 4x minus 2 is equal to 12x plus 6. All right, so let's subtract our 12x, and that's going to give me a negative 8x, and add my 2, and that's going to give me an 8. So then I'm going to divide both sides by that negative 8, and I get that x is equal to negative 1. And one last one here, I'm going to have a 2 squared to the 2x. And 1/2, of course, we've been talking about that, is 2 to the negative 1. And then raised to the 1 minus 2x. So power to power, I'm going to multiply and get 2 to the 4x is equal to 2 to the negative 1 plus 2x. Then set my exponents equal to each other, so I get 4x is equal to negative 1 plus 2x. So I'm going to subtract my 2x and get 2x over here is negative 1, and then divide by 2. So x is equal to negative 1/2. All right, so you now can try these next ones and then pick up on the next video.